Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop and engage it with the locating hole in the inner wing. To improve access to the left-hand headlight unit, remove the battery cover, then remove the air cleaner air inlet duct components behind the headlight. Reach behind the headlight unit and unclip the rubber access cover. Pull the wiring plug from the headlight bulb. Release the bulb retaining clip and withdraw the headlight bulb. Avoid touching the bulb glass with bare skin. Insert the bulb into the headlight, aligning the lugs on the bulb flange with the cutouts in the headlight reflector. Pivot up the retaining clip and press the ends of the clip forwards to engage them with the catches. Push the wiring plug onto the bulb terminals. Press the rubber access cover onto the rear of the headlight. Support the bonnet, then stow the safety prop and firmly close the bonnet. Check the bonnet is securely locked.